Hello to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss harmful effects of cosmetics. Harmful effects of cosmetics. What are cosmetics? Some examples I want to tell you. Common face powder, snow, cream, face cream, lipstick, liquid soap, toothpaste, shampoo, body cream, sunscreen, nail polish, all comes under cosmetics. Cosmetics contains parabenzene, preservative, citric acid, pigments, water, emulsifier, fragrance, mercury compounds, thickeners, titanium oxide, toluene, formaldehyde, moisturizer, triclosan, UV filters, surfacta, and talc, talc, and other chemicals present in cosmetics are potassium sorbate, where it is used, where you will find, then shower gel. In shower gel, potassium sorbate is used, and it is also used in intimate soap, toothpaste, liquid soap. Here potassium sorbate is used and its percentages are found around 12.5%. Second important chemicals which is found in cosmetics, that is the sodium benzoate. It is also found in shower gel, shampoo, intimate soap, body cream, and its percentage is 37.5%. And next important chemicals which is found in cosmetics, that is the phenoxyethanol. It is also found in shower gel, shampoo, toothpaste, body cream, sunscreen, lipstick, nail polish. This phenoxyethanol is found in shower gel, shampoo, toothpaste, body cream, sunscreen, lipsticks, nail polish, and its percentage is very high, 43.8%. And other important chemicals which is found, that is chlorphenexin. It is found in shampoo, body cream, and its percentage is little less, 6.3%. Key ingredient present in most cosmetic include water, emulsifier, preservative, thickeners, moisturizer, colors, and fragrance. Of more than 10,000 chemicals used to formulate cosmetics, very important. More than 10,000 chemicals are used to formulate cosmetics. Just 11 have ever been banned or restricted by the Federal Food and Drug Administration. More about lipsticks. Lipstick is common. Lipsticks may be made from several waxes such as beeswax, ojokerite wax, and candelilla wax. These three waxes are generally used. Again, I am telling you. First, that is the several waxes are used, but common I am telling you. That is first waxes, that is beeswax, bees, beeswax. Second, ojokerite. Third, candelilla wax. Because of high melting point, carnauba wax, another type of wax. Carnauba wax is a key ingredient in terms of structuring the lipstick. Various oils and fats are used in lipsticks, such as olive oil, mineral oil, cocoa butter, linolene, and petrolatum. These are the oil used in lipsticks. Again, I am telling oils and fats which are used in lipstick. That is, first is olive oil, second mineral oil, third cocoa butter, fourth linolene, and fifth is petrolatum. Now come to the side effect or harmful effect of cosmetics. You have seen that many chemicals are used, 10,000, more than 10,000 I told you, and few important common chemicals I have discussed. Then they have harmful effect also. Cosmetics have harmful effect also. What are the effects? Now I am going to discuss. First harmful effect is lung cancer. Lung cancer. Chemicals present in cosmetics, if inhaled, can damage lung tissue. It can damage. First harmful effect, that is a lung cancer. Chemicals present in cosmetics, if inhaled, can damage lung tissue. Second, skin cancer. Excessive cosmetic use can lead to skin cancer. Third, permanent dark circle. Sometimes you might have observed on face dark circle may be present. Sometimes those who are continuously using lipsticks, then there will be dark. Skin will become dark. Then this is the again harmful effect. Okay. Permanent dark circle. Fourth harmful effect, clogging of pores. Fifth, aging of your skin. Your skin will look very old. Aging of your skin. Next, lead poisoning. In cosmetics, lead is also present. Then it is very dangerous. Then next harmful effect is lead poisoning. And after that, one more major effect is harmful effect is skin allergies. And risk of cosmetic products now I am discussing. spreading bacteria on the skin, spreading bacteria on the skin, irritation and scratches on the eye, fire hazards, fire hazards in case of aerosol products such as hairspray, allergic reactions, allergic reaction also is possible, or sensitivity to ingredients. And many cosmetics have also problem linked to acute risks. Many cosmetics have also been linked to acute risks, including burns and infections. Formaldehyde, formaldehyde-based hair straightening procedures referred to as that is called keratin treatment. Listen, this is important. Many cosmetics have also been linked to acute risk, including burns and infections. Formaldehyde-based hair straightening procedures referred to as keratin treatment have been linked to hair loss, rashes, blisters, nosebleeds, bleeding gums, and loss of taste and smell. These are again, you can say, harmful effect of cosmetics. Rashes, blisters, nosebleeds, bleeding gums, and loss of taste and smell. These are the harmful effect or risk of cosmetic products. Now I am stopping only here. Again, we will meet next time. Thank you.